Welcome back. Today I wanted to give you a brief overview of vitamin B12 and why it's so important. Here are the essentials that you need to know. So B12 is found in soils and is created by a bacteria that lives in the soil. So 100 years ago, when we were all out in the dirt, walking with our bare feet or out in our gardens or drinking out of rivers and streams, we got the B12 amounts that we needed. But in today's indoor society, where our soils have been depleted and everything is very hygienic and clean, we're just not getting dirty enough to get the B12 that we need. Everyone, regardless of their diet, needs to make sure that they are getting enough B12. They even supplement animals with B12 because they need it too, and that is why meat eaters can get B12 from animals that they eat because the animals have been supplemented with it. So if you're eating a plant-based diet, you need to make sure that you are getting the B12 that you need as well. So the recommended dose is pretty small. If you're taking a supplement, you only need to take it 1 or 2 times a week to get the dose that you need to keep you healthy. Some other sources for getting vitamin B12, my Silk brand of unsweetened organic soy milk is fortified with B12. I've also seen it crop up in kind of some packaged foods like cereals and stuff like that now are being supplemented with B12. So just kind of be aware and think of how the best way for you to get the B12 that you need. B12 is essential for our nerves and blood cells to function properly. It helps in the creation of DNA, and it also prevents a type of anemia. So it's really important to make sure that you are including B12 in your diet. So think about how you're going to be getting it and make a plan to make sure that you get the proper amount of B12 that you need.